My name is Dave Wallace. I'm the president of Scout Boats in Summerville, South Carolina. The first time I was on a boat equipped with Seakeeper Ride was in Atlantic City, and at the end of the ride, all I could say is wow. The feedback on Ride has been phenomenal. Anybody that gets on it that's used to traditional trim tabs, all they can say is wow. Scout chose to go standard on several of our models because it's the right thing to do for the consumer.
We were absolutely thrilled with how this product performed. It did exactly what it said, and then some more. It just makes boating better. I promise you, this improves the overall experience of a day on the water. This is one of those things that you just can't figure it out until you realize you turn it off and you experience what the boat would have been doing in those same conditions. You turn it back on, it's just unbelievable. It really, really is. Bow slam is a thing of the past. Get it on your boat. It will make boating that much better.
Hi, I'm Ron Berman. I'm Vice President of Engineering with Chris Craft. Chris Craft has been installing Seakeeper Ride since day one of the product, and we have no plans on looking back. It's one of the most significant improvements to the way boats handle and ride that I've seen in my entire career. We decided to go all in and make it a standard feature across our product line. We were so impressed with what it does for handling, predictability, and boating safety that with our premium products, it was a natural to make it standard. When Chris Craft approaches putting a new feature or component on our boat, we're very selective. We want to understand the quality of the component, the system, and the company behind it. And we want to make sure it does add to the boating experience. With Seakeeper Ride, we found a product that definitely improves the boating experience, but it's very high quality, backed by a phenomenal team that gives us fantastic support.
My first experience with Ride was out in our Open 212. We had been riding around the harbor with the system off just to get a base feel for the boat. And then we turned it on, and you get that riding on rails feeling, and that's the best way that I can describe it. Standardization was the only way to go for us. It gives the customer the absolute easiest learning curve into boating, and on top of that, you get the absolute best ride, and it gets more of an automotive experience when they're behind the wheel.